Hello students, are you interested in building and launching your own satellite? Well, would it not be exciting? You can have that wonderful experience by participating in our Cubsat designing, building and launching workshop. First, let us see what is a Cubsat and why it is called Cubsat. It is a simulated miniaturized satellite in a simplified form so that the students can assemble and launch it in just 2 days' time. It is a first step to space technology and it is meant for beginners. That is why the name Cubsat. In the inaugural session, my dear students, I love to interact with you and your parents. I will talk about two of the most spectacular ISRO's expeditions, and I am sure you will find ISRO's achievements is an inspiring experience. Who achieved that? Finally, India won the race. After my talk, the theory session will begin. In the theory session, our expert trainers will cover the basics of rockets, satellites, and generally they will introduce you to space technology. After the theory session is over, the hands-on part of the Cubsat workshop will commence. Each group of 5 students will be designing and making a parachute which will be attached to the Cubsat satellite later. After the students have enjoyed the parachute making, the main part of the workshop, that is the assembly of the Cubsat satellite, will begin. The students will plan and assemble the structure, the various subsystems like power, microcontroller, communication, payload comprising of the atmospheric data sensors, antenna, etc. The embedding of the software into the hardware will also be completed by the students. They will assemble the ground station too. After the assembling is completed, then important aspect of the workshop, that is testing, will begin. This is important activity because it not only ensures that the assembly is done correctly, but also the Cubsat will perform perfectly during its mission. The climax of the workshop will be the launching of the Cubsat equipped with a parachute. This event will be enjoyed by the students, their parents and the teachers. This workshop is being conducted on such a massive scale that it is one of its kind not only in the country but also in the whole world. Every satellite built by a group of 5 students will be launched using a drone one after another, which will be a thrilling experience. The satellite will be attached to a drone and will be flown up to a height of about 20 meters and then released. During its descent, by means of the parachute, it will transmit live the atmospheric data to the ground station, which can be fed to a laptop.
Temperature is 38 degrees Celsius.
Along with Mr. Suresh Naik, the Managing Director of Punekar Educational initiatives, we are planning to take the space technology to thousands of students across the country, and that will be our Cubsat mission. In conclusion, my friends, I would like to say this about the Cubsat workshop. This is an excellent experimental educational initiative which takes minimum time, it is of minimum cost, and it imparts maximum learning.
I learned many things like parachute making.
We did a launching using a drone. It was fantastic. I wish to make more of these kind of satellites and make my nation proud. Thank you.
My name is Swarali Kulkarni. I'm a big fan of Suresh Naik. Sir, I'm a very big fan of yours. So sir, please तुम्ही हे वाचा आणि please मला यावर sign द्या.
It was a great simulation of the satellite. The workshop was very exciting. I was so curious about it. I'm very thankful to Suresh Naik sir, and thank you sir a lot.
So, my dear budding scientists and technologists, this is a golden opportunity for you. Thank you.